Hello, and welcome to your daily fill. Today, I'd like to meditate on the sounds of nature. As I stand here in this beautiful woodland setting, I can hear all the sounds around me, fulfilling the promise of a wonderful day, enlightening me with every delicate noise, the reminders of how powerful nature is. Even the traffic in the distance gives me a sense that life is just around the corner. The bird song to the left blending with man's audible output, reminding me just how difficult it is to get peace and quiet. Have a good one.